Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer bacon wrap hot dogs with barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here 1 pack of ballpark hot dogs and a pack of bacon. Let's open it up. Take a slice of bacon. And wrap it around the hot dog. Just like that. Next, to secure the bacon, we're going to use some toothpicks. It's going to secure both ends. That's one end. And the other end. Just like that. Just like that. We're going to put away the bacon, and I'm going to change out my gloves. This is what it looks like before we put it in. Now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the bacon wrapped hot dogs. For this video, we'll be cooking around 6 bacon wrapped hot dogs, and we'll save the last 2 for another day. Let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 7 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Flip them over. There we go. We flipped them over. Now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Looking great. We have here some Sara Lee hot dog buns. And we also have here some barbecue sauce from Famous Dave's. You can use any barbecue sauce you like. Just gonna pour some out. There you go. We're going to take some of the barbecue sauce and brush it onto the hot dogs. Looking good. We're going to flip them over and do the same thing. Okay, we flipped them over, and now let's brush the other side. Looking good. We brushed the barbecue sauce, and now let's put it back in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 2 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been an additional 2 minutes at 400 degrees with the barbecue sauce. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. We're going to take out the toothpicks. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer bacon wrap hot dogs with barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.